All right, just move a little bit. Yes, like this. Thank you very much. Facing each other. Watch out for the headbutt, low blow, and back of the head. You both know the rules. No elbow, no clinching. Okay? Turn if you want, and back your corner.
Referee in charge, Olivier Coste.
Yeah.
It is Reug Reug, Umar Khan,
right,
taking on Boucher Ketchup, both men from Senegal.
Ready,
one is the world's largest stage of martial arts, representing the pinnacle of fighting. We are underway. Immediately, Boucher Ketchup going right after Reug Reug.
He came in with a flying hammer fist there to get things going. You can't clinch, though, in kickboxing.
Okay?
So I think some of his wrestling sort of techniques kind of just initially reacted right there, and he just went into reaction mode there as he's working his way. He's drifting his hands a little bit low. Needs to make sure when he starts punching, he brings his hands back to his chin to make sure that they're there as he swings wildly with that right hand.
Mitch, it's fair to say that Boucher Ketchup, from a striking standpoint, is unorthodox.
That's safe to say, Ray. Look at him coming in with a double hammer fist right there, trying to find a shot that's going to put out Reug Reug. Reug Reug looking patient, though, looking calm. Some feints to try to set up his shot.
Time.
Now, Mitch, when you are, from a Reug Reug standpoint, you're dealing with someone who is unorthodox as Boucher Ketchup. How do you, deal with that?
You gotta stay strict to your fundamentals. You gotta start putting out your jab, start trying to find him, see if you can establish your range. You can see Ketchup starting to burst on him. He's starting to explode in. And so it's gonna be very important for Reug Reug to kind of time shots, right? Look at that, he's swinging with the overhand hammer fist. Wow, with an uppercut right there. But Reug Reug, Kane looks calm. He's choosing his shots carefully.
Khan did say he was going to knock him out in the first round. We are almost at the midway point of the first. So far, Boucher Ketchup, there's a head kick for Reug Reug. Down goes Boucher Ketchup.
Caught him coming in.
5, 6, 7.
Face planted.
Hands up.
Ketchup's
Go.
looks a bit wobbled. Shook it off.
Boucher Ketchup gets put down in the first by Reug Reug. Can Khan finish him off?
Yeah, those body kicks are going to be effective. You can see the way Boucher Ketchup's flaring out the elbows, going to the body with some of those roundhouse kicks. Might pay some dividends in later in the fight. Also helps him set up that high kick, right? Ketchup's got to keep that right hand up next to his chin.
There's a right hook by Reug Reug and a left. Down goes Boucher Ketchup yet again.
Caught him clean with that straight left hand. That's it.
And it's over. Reug Reug fulfills his prophecy as he knocks out Boucher Ketchup in the first.
He called it. He said he would knock him out in the very first round, and he did. Hit him twice.